Hello, I'm Kristy-Lea, founder of Pattern of Growth Online Business Support Community. And in today's video, I am going to tell you all about the number one person every solopreneur needs in 2020. And actually, it's three people. But you'll see why I'm going to share with you three, when in actuality, they all equal the number one person, because these are the people you need to have in place if you currently have an online business in 2020. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the three people you need now in your online business before you ever reach your giving up point. You've got yourself an online business and things could be, well, a little more smoother, shall we say. You want to see the success you know you're capable of, but you just haven't seemed to quite get it right yet. You're feeling a little maybe or a lot overwhelmed and possibly frustrated by this whole online business thing. And you don't know how much longer you can do it flying solo. So here's the first person you're going to need in your online business in this time. The very first person you need to make your online business a success is you. That's right. You. Now, this may not come to you as a surprise, but really to make your online business a success, you are the one that is needed in order to create a successful online business. But let me ask you this. How have you been taking care of yourself? This is an important question in order to avoid burnout. You and taking care of yourself absolutely must come first. Now, you probably have heard a lot of people talk about self-care, but this goes way beyond self-care. I absolutely can't count on how many times actually I've worked day and night only to absolutely crash for days at a time. And when this happens, you will not be able to give your business what it's really going to need to operate. So the very first person you need is yourself. So take care of you and your needs. Sometimes this might mean you have to put some things off for a little bit and have that little nap. You need to eat. So don't always work through the entire day without going and eating. And also have handy beside you water and good nutritious snacks at all times. Because when you're working in your online business, sometimes you can get so involved that you forget to do the very basic things like eat and drink water. So the business, your online business, will thrive better with you at your best. The second person that you need in your online business is, can you guess it? A Biz Bestie. Now, if you've never heard of a Biz Bestie, I'm glad you're hearing about it now, because I think every single person who has an online business needs to have a Biz Bestie. This is the person you trust with absolutely everything. You can share with them the ups, the downs of your business. You can cry with them. You can laugh with them. They're the person who is going to be there to support you no matter what stage you are in or what you're going through in your online business, in your personal life, whatever it might be. When you need to bounce an idea off someone, they're going to be the person you can go to, knowing they will keep you grounded. I don't know about you, but I am a manifesting generator, and as such, I absolutely love to create things. I love experiencing new ways of sharing my knowledge with people, and sometimes I go a little overboard and I end up creating way too much content and never ever getting it into the hands of the people who need it the most. So my Biz Bestie keeps me grounded and makes sure that I stay focused, on task, and really concentrated on what I absolutely need to be doing. You can also share with your Biz Bestie the ability to bounce ideas off of one another. So this can be able to, be a person in which you could have an hour-long talk where we just talk it through. I know this is what I do with my Biz Bestie, and her and I will just literally have a talk it through session where we just talk through absolutely everything. There's no rhyme or reason to it. It's just so that we can talk about whatever is inside and stewing inside, so we can then come to exactly what we want to offer, how we want to offer it, and then be going from there. And you never know where it will lead. If you're like me and have a hard time in the past making friends due to your introverted nature, don't worry. There are other introverted people out there who are looking for biz besties as well. The great thing about finding another like you in that way, whether they're introverted or extroverted, is that you will always feel supported, even if you don't feel like talking for a week and disappear to recharge. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes that happens to me as an introverted person. I just need to take a little time away. So my biz bestie knows that I haven't disappeared on her, but I'm just recharging. The third person that you need, and this one could be your most valuable asset yet. So I want you to listen in really close to this one. Do you have a techie in your pocket? Wait, what? What is a techie in my pocket? Well, this is the person who you can go to for technical support. They are the person you need when you get stuck in a tech way. I can tell you, I have seen so many of my consultation clients get stuck in their online business because they couldn't get past a tech issue that they could not figure out. Please, I beg of you, don't let this stop you. So imagine someone who is there, like tech support for you, but is a real live human who can connect with you and actually help you overcome the problem you might be facing in your online business. Now, whether that's tech side or whether that's moving forward or your next step. The part I absolutely love about being other people's techie in the pocket is, due to my varied background, I can help them not just with the tech side, but also with strategic planning and systematizing and creating processes in your online business. So guess what? That translates to less time spent wanting to absolutely throw your computer out the window and more time doing the things you actually love, like creating content or spending time with your clients. When you're looking for your techie in your pocket, look for someone who can help you in several areas. So you don't have to have multiple people to go to. This will make it easier for you to begin to move forward, continuing with forward action. The less people you have to go to for things, the less confusion you end up going through, because everybody has different ideas of how to do things. When you stick with one person, you will get far more accomplished and way further in your online business. I know for myself, once I found that single person that could be my go-to for my business, I moved further than I ever could have imagined by being with a business coach and a this coach and a that coach and a this consultant and a this, and oh my gosh, how do you even keep track of all that stuff? I can't even remember. So start the process of finding your own techie in your pocket. Now that you know the top 3 people you need to make your business thrive, who are you missing? Have you truly been showing up for yourself? Do you need to have a biz bestie in place? Do you have one yet? What about a techie in your pocket? Do you have access to one? Tell me in the comments below the answers to these questions. And being in the online space for, well, over 8 years has taught me how absolutely, I can't even tell you how absolutely important it is to have these 3 people in place for your online business. Now, everyone talks about adding, a social media manager or a virtual assistant to their team. In the very beginning of your business, a lot of times you might want to add somebody like this. But before you even think about adding any of these people to your team, I want you to think about adding those 3 people we talked about today. You, your biz bestie, and a techie in your pocket. Being an online business owner is not for the faint at heart. And at the same time, you shouldn't be hustling 24/7 to make it all work. Repeating, you shouldn't be hustling 24/7 to make it all work. There truly is an easier way to do this online business thing, and it really starts with those 3 people. You, your biz bestie, and a techie in your pocket. So are you ready to put in place your own techie in your pocket if you don't currently have one? I want you to go ahead and check out Pattern of Growth Online Business Support Community. The link is below, and you'll be able to see exactly what a techie in your pocket can do for you. Because really, it's your time to shine in your online business. And that time is right here, right now. Not tomorrow, not someday. The time for you to be successful is right now in this moment. So don't forget to go ahead and hit that bell on our YouTube and subscribe so that you will receive all of the how-to and tip videos I have coming your way.